women who are pursuing success or are successful, they don't have a lot of friends because they don't also have a lot of time. Like for me, I don't have a lot of time for nonsense. Yeah, I don't have a lot of time for nonsense. That's why I always encourage my followers to, utang na loob naman, mag-iisip na nga lang kayo, hindi nyo pa magawa. Pati ba naman yan, iaasa nyo pa sa akin. Like basic stuff like thinking, like yung mga questions nila, nakakasira ba ng kidney ang collagen? Is this effective? Di ate ko, girl, bilhin mo, inumin mo. Malalaman mo kung na-effective yan kung ininom mo, di ba? This is why for people, especially those I know na they are really, really smart, no? They don't like to surround themselves with a lot of people. Madali silang mairita. Like, they very irritable sila. And I would understand them. Kasi pag basahin nyo yung comment section, guys, yung comment section, dito at saka sa kabila, mandidiri talaga kayo. Yung talagang sasabihin nyo, ay, bakit ganun? Tatanong mo pa ba yan? 'Di ba? Yun lang. So I would understand why successful women prefer not to have a lot of friends. 2 or 3 friends, marami na 'yan, honestly. Like ako nga, I don't even like to spend time sa Messenger. Okay, kasi ayoko yung kamusta ka na, tag ng tag. Kamusta ka na for every day? Oh my God. Like, girl, give me space. I have things to do. So sometimes yung umaabot yung kamusta ko na ng siguro 3 years or 4 years, dun ko na sasabihin ng, "Uy, kamusta ka na? Buhay ka pa ba, girl?" Like that. Yeah. It's people find it weird, pero it's the norm for me. Naka-focus ako for my glow up during the past 2 or 3 years, or yes, because I isolated myself. Hindi ako nag-a-attend ng events, hindi ako masyadong nakikipag-socialize. I just focused on working out. I focus on skincare. I focus on learning a new skill, which is talking in front of the camera, selling in front of the camera, affiliate marketing, doing yung sa beauty products, ganyan-ganyan. Okay, kasi honestly guys ha, hindi talaga madali mag-glow up whether it's physical or financial. Kailangan mo talaga ng oras, okay? For some people, they thrive with other people. They are a group type of person, ano? But I'm not a group type of person kasi. I really need that space for myself so that I have the energy, okay? Kasi pag wala ako sa mood tapos may isa na na-imbiyer na siya sa akin or whatever, or 'di ba parang away-away na naman 'yan. Eh, alam niyo naman sa mga group-group ay super drama ng mga babae, as in. Like yun ang gusto kong ano, yun ang gusto kong sabihin, okay. So, a glow up will change you kasi it's not just physically, it's also mentally and emotionally. It starts inside. It starts with the decision. A glow up starts with the decision that you have to change your life and you have to change yourself. Especially for me, I'm already aging, okay, 40 years old. So the effort that I have to give, like exercising, skincare, looking for products that would work for me, mas mahirap siya ngayon, you know, as I got older. Okay. And of course, meron yung pressure, no? Na, ay, kailangan kong ano, I need to work harder at this age. So I needed the focus. Okay. People would interpret it, of course, as ay yumabang, suplada, ay ano yung ano. But ano life kasi comes in seasons eh. Life comes in seasons. When I say life comes in seasons, you change, you evolve. So yung mga gusto mo noon, hindi mo na siya gusto ngayon. That's how it is. Okay. Ako kasi yung dati mas sporty ako, yung mahilig akong mag-akyat-akyat ng bundok, mag-hiking-hiking. And I'm done with that era. My God, I did it for 5 or 6 years. Nakailang marathons din ako. Although I'm not a fast runner. Kasi nga I'm not a fast runner naman eh. But I realized that you have to bury your old self. That's what I did. I kind of buried my old self so that I could be here in my position now, and in the future I would have more, and I could influence more. Okay. Yun yung gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo, guys. It's a process. And a glow up is a very long process, especially a glow up financially. And it's not an easy process. It's actually a very hard process. Okay? It's a very hard process. Yun yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo. There are things that you need to do on your own, and there are things that you need to do with friends. But there are challenges and journey that you need to do on your own. Okay. Yung pagpapaganda kasi, yes, masaya yung may kasama kang mag-gym, ano. Pero paano kung hindi, yung friend mo, night shift, tapos ikaw day shift? Eh di hindi ka na makakapag-gym, you know? So, you have to learn how to do things on your own. Okay. So, yun yung laging sinasabi ng tita ko sa akin, yung learn to be strong. Okay. Kasi, there are times, wala ka talagang maasahan, but just yourself. Okay. So, how will I relate that to the beauty podcast? Okay. When you are doing a glow up, it starts with the decision, and then it continues with consistency, and you need to persevere as well as to continue even if you are not seeing results. Okay. Like yun, yung sawang-sawa ako dun sa question na effective po ba? Effective po ba? 'Di ba? Ate ko girl, yung kasi, yung glutathione tsaka collagen, it's not immediate effect, girl. Okay? Hindi siya yung mag-e-effect kaagad. Okay? It takes months or years for it to take effect. Okay? Lalo yung mga mura na collagen tsaka glutathione. Hindi naman ako nagkulang ng paalala. Okay? So yun lang, guys. May mga i-upload ako dito sa YouTube na wala sa TikTok. Okay? Ang daming viewers sa TikTok pero nakaka-high blood yung mga tao doon. You know, and I'm getting older. And so my patience is not as, I don't know, my patience is running out. Like, para siyang yung tubig sa drum. Hindi siya tubig baha. My patience is like tubig sa drum. It's like nagagamit na ganyan. So, yun lang ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, girls. Like, girls naman, also yung mga questions nyo, paulit-ulit. Akala ko sometimes na, pero minsan, ewan na, naubusan ako ng Kaya minsan gusto ko ng 2 days break. Tapos parang schedule ko na lang lahat ng content. Gusto ko mag-break sa TikTok kasi na-stress ako, Okay. So, don't forget to follow the Beauty Podcast here on YouTube. Soon, soon. I don't know when, but I'll be reviewing some products. Pero tinitest ko kasi talaga yung mga products ng ilang months bago ko siya i-recommend sa inyo dito sa YouTube channel, no? Especially for some local brands na wala namang marketing budget. Meron yung moisturizer na ginagamit ko, yung may some of the moisturizers that I use. Ano siya? Maganda siya pero hindi siya sikat sa TikTok. Puntahan niyo yung TikTok ko, tapos follow niyo ako. Mag-shop kayo dun sa showcase ko. Ang dami kong magandang records doon, girls. So, bye!